much. First of all, greetings everyone. This is Apurkar connecting to you from India. The last few months have brought this world an unexpected turn of events. All of our lives took a drastic turn and then came to a standstill. With the continuously rising number of victims, we can only assume that the situation might remain the same for some more time. The lockdown, however, has taught us one important lesson that no matter how bad things go, life goes on. So, what we need to do is just get a little bit more innovative and continue on with our lives and work, but with a different perspective. Well, I'm no expert in the subject matter, but I'm sure that there are still some people in this world who are a bit skeptical about making deals with someone they have not met in person. Not to mention the magic of tapping our screens and transferring any amount from our bank account into someone else's. All this, which seems stupid, needless, and even difficult at some point of time, is now a reality of life. Employees who earlier had to wake up hours before their day job and had to travel excruciating distances to reach their workspaces are now working in the comforts of their bed, saving company resources on maintenance of the working complex and employees the money they spent on surge price public transport. Not to mention the amount of fuel and pollution that the world has saved during this time. Working from home can be a bit challenging, especially if one is working in a team. A team can easily lose their cohesiveness due to the lack of conventional meetings. So just taking a bit time, I would like to share some tips about that. First of all, I will strongly recommend that we keep a documentation of all the conversations we had. A lot of good ideas are thrown when the colleagues are simply chatting around. Second, I would like to emphasize on the fact that we need to change our habits of not expecting calls at odd hours, because let's be honest, we are collaborating with someone who lives in a different time zone from us. A third point that I would like to highlight upon is to stop using sugar-coated feedbacks. It is already difficult to communicate over digital mediums, and sugar-coating a message will eventually lead to people misinterpreting it. Another crucial part of working from home is maintaining the discipline and immediacy of tasks. In workspace, we all have experiences that when working from home, we easily lose our discipline and forget about things. Uh, Also, I have noticed that many people have not paid much attention to making a dedicated work environment and end up doing the work on bed or couch. This though is easy and cheap. It takes a toll on our productivity, making us sleepy. Through this, we may be able to achieve our tasks with a close deadline, let's say submitting a presentation or an assignment, but it will indefinitely procrastinate our ambitions and our goals will do not have a rigid timeline. Apart from the opportunities to evolve our lifestyle, these changes also threaten our work culture. With some challenges, a worker may very easily lose their productivity. Transactions will, of course, occur due to ignorance, and businesses will, of course, incur losses. In this, I would like to tell all of you to simply take it as a rough patch and continue on with your life. This is Apurkar signing off. Thank you very much.